we're gonna go over how to fix the slint issue, and what I mean by that is the diagnostics using the Null-Ls. And what I mean by that is that you're gonna go ahead and receive this message, look, right? And the reason why we're gonna receive that is because, yeah, on over Stack Overflow. If you want, I could drop this in the description, but this individual basically explains why we have that issue, and it just has to do with the new push that they committed, right? And they merged, and there seems to be a lot of issues, right? So the way to fix it is that we have to do these instructions. And yeah, let's just go ahead and do that just so that you guys can see how it looks. And then this would be the repository. This one I'm gonna drop in the description for sure. And yeah, so this would be the message you guys receive. And so let's just fix it. So we have to inject this as a dependency, right? And then yeah, let's just inject it really quick. And then it's gonna be for the slint, right? And then so this line right here, you could basically delete it or comment it out. You could just delete it actually because yeah, it's no longer supported. And then if we look over the documentation, you have to use this now, the require, and then it would be similar to this. So then we're gonna go ahead and copy that, and then we're gonna where is it? Oh, yeah, right here. So we're gonna paste it. Let me format it, and then we're just gonna change it. We're gonna change it to slint, and then leave it like that. And then you write it, and then that would be it. That would be everything. That's how you fix it. So yeah, this is the solution. I just wanted to add it because yeah, I was looking for this solution for a long time, and Stack Overflow had the solution. But yeah, that's how you fix it. And then just to prove it, let's just do this, and you're not gonna have any issues no more. You see, like no notification, everything is working great. Or actually, let me see if I can go to a uh, let me see if I can just pull something up really quick. And then you're just gonna see the lint working. Yeah, so there's no issue no more.